is Friday, and I am getting ready to head out to class. We have class today and a research conference that we're headed to, and I wanted to share with you what I am wearing. So I just have these black slacks on and this top that has the shell that has, tan, black, cream, and then this cream linen blazer that I purchased from Old Navy yesterday. So I have dresses, but my clothes that I have are business casual. I guess it would go business casual, but they said professional business. So I didn't bring any blazers or anything like that. So I went on a wild goose chase yesterday to find a blazer. And I think this works good. And I have on these faux croc sandal heels. But yeah, this is my outfit. My jewelry never really changes in a dramatic way, but I have my favorite bracelets on, my Lagos bracelet, this silver bracelet, and I have my permanent jewelry that is always on, and my favorite Kendra Scott necklace. And these earrings that I'm wearing are one of my staples, and I got these from Walmart about a year ago. And of course my Apple Watch and my wedding ring. But yeah, here is the outfit. I was toiling whether I was going to take this jacket back because I thought I paid too much for it, but it looks good and I think it's gonna work today. All right. And here is a little bag that I have been loving. I'm so serious. I have been loving carrying this little bag. I like the quilted front with the little gold studs on it, and it has this, chain strap. Y'all, I love this bag, and I got it at a store called Simply 10. So this was only $10. And I probably should take you in that store. Now, depending on your style, you'll have to, find what will work for you, and that's exactly what I did. But yeah, if you want me to take you into a Simply 10 to see what you can find for $10 and it still look classic and elegant, I'd love to do it. Just let me know. All right. The time has come. I am dressed. I have my bag packed for class, and it is time for me to get going. I wanted to do a day in the life of, what would this be? A day in the life at class, Ph.D. style or Ph.D. edition. I don't know how much talking I will be able to do in this vlog because of, I'll be pulling up the camera when I'm not in lectures, researching, and, I'm going to be around people all day long. So I may not do a lot of talking, but I just want to bring you along to give you a small lens of what I see and from my view during a day. And all days are not the same. I just think this will be a different perspective. I want to go ahead and ask you to like this video and subscribe if you have not. Share it with someone who also likes vlogs. Share it with someone who is 30 plus and wanting to do something different, whether it's starting a business, going back to school, starting a new career, juggling a busy life, and you want the support of someone else who knows the walk that you're going through. Share it with someone like that, because that's the community that I want to build. That's the community that I want around me. I want us to, lift each other up and see that although life is real and it gets a little sticky sometimes, that we still can do the big scary thing and just believe in ourselves one small step at a time. Yeah. So subscribe to the channel and share it with someone who can take this walk with us. All right, I am getting ready to, let me look at the time. I have a few, maybe like 2 or 3 minutes before I need to walk out the door. But it is so important to me to jot down some things that come up in meditation or gratitude. So I'm going to pull up my notebook, get something written, and I'm out of here. Y'all look. Y'all look at this snack. Is she not a snack? Hey, Deshaun. Are you ready?
Oh, is that a thing? That's something to be getting people. That's what got Kiki in trouble.
Y'all, why y'all got my girl Passion looking at you like that? Amanda, dear.
Good morning.
She allows me to put her on camera. Look at her looking all cute. How's your day going?
So far, so good. I can't complain.
Do you have something to share to the people, other moms who are working their jobs, taking care of their families, pursuing new and big things? Do you have any advice to share?
Sister, you'll win if you don't quit.
Oh, that's
Just
pretty
continue
good.
to keep moving.
That's pretty good.
Thank you. Right, she's here. She's here. Come
This is camera.
You got all the money,
All the gadgets.
all the gadgets.
You need me to let me perform.
I got nothing for
This
you.
is Corey.
Hey, good morning, good afternoon. Is that okay?
And that's my girl. Now, see, she doesn't like the camera, but I guess if it doesn't look like a camera, she'll look at it.
No,
Is that what it
I'm
is?
just being nice today.
Oh, really?
Okay. So this is the class that I broke my last camera in, and I am showing my classmates my new vlogging camera. Sometimes they let me turn on the camera and they don't have anything bad to say.
Cause what?
It's a what?
Oh, paraders on my seat.
Now this guy right here, he is the guy. This is Ryan.
What am I supposed to say? Yeah, I get so awkward on camera.
Yeah, look at Cara.
And give yourselves a pat on the back. You made it this far.
Amen.
Oh, I recorded. Okay. Good morning. Hello, and welcome to the Cohort 18 Research Conference. It is a pleasure for you to be here with us today. Thank you so much. Enjoy the ride.
Okay, I have. Wait, hold on. Let me get it from toe on up. Yeah, when I tell you this brother is always clean. Hi, Donald. Will you introduce yourself?
I am Donald Comer. I am a doctoral candidate at Jackson State University in the Executive Ph.D. program. It's been an amazing journey. I'm near the end, defended my dissertation, filed my application for graduation, and I'm looking forward to December when I get a chance to get hooded and walk across the stage.
Oh, and what are we doing today?
We are here at Jackson State for TORCH, and TORCH is an acronym that speaks to the power of research. We're at a research conference, and we have Cohort 18 and Cohort 19, and we're sharing information, and we're excited about the fact that Dr. Tinto, who is a phenomenon in the area of qualitative research, specifically around persistence, is going to share with us and help us to be more deeply grounded in the theory and the practice of qualitative research.
Awesome. Thank you, Donald. Remember the face and the name. All right, we are finished with the conference. The day is over. After conference, we went to class for a group to present, and now I'm back in the room. We have dinner. I have dinner to eat. I think I want to run to Hobby Lobby for one thing. Tomorrow it's supposed to be, well, I'm looking at the weather now. I don't know if I'll get caught in rain. I'm not sure what time we will be let go from class, but there is something at Hobby Lobby I want to take a look at. So yeah, that's a day in the life. What I'm not going to show you, because it was the day in the life, I guess it would be the night of the life, is I am going to come back here, pull open my laptop, and do some writing. All right, so if I end the vlog here, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you got a small glimpse of my world when I am here at Jackson State University, working on my executive Ph.D. in urban higher education. And until the next vlog, have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. All right, talk soon.